I don't want rain to ruin my plans anymore, so perfect. The text you just saw came from my Hermes agent. Let's learn how to talk to our Hermes agents using email, SMS, or even voice calls. It's super easy, literally just takes 1 minute to set up. First, we want to head to pingram.io Hermes. On this page, there are two commands you need to run in your terminal. So this is the terminal where you usually run Hermes, but this time we're going to run this plugin install command that installs the Pingram plugin, and we also want to enable it. And the second command is to set up the Hermes gateways. You've probably seen this menu before. The first time you set up Hermes, you could install Telegram, Slack, and so on. Now we have Pingram SMS, email, and voice. I'm going to go through Pingram SMS. Each of them are super easy to set up, and it takes a few seconds to do. I'm going to go through the quick setup. Feel free to explore the advanced setup later when you're more comfortable with this plugin. Here, you want to select the region you created your Pingram account in. US is the default. I'm going to select that. Now I need to insert my Pingram API key. If you don't have one, just go to pingram.io, press this sign up, and you can get your free API key. There's a generous free tier you don't need to worry about. After you sign up, you dropped into a page like this. There's your API key you can copy. If you can't find it, you can always go to the API key section and find it there. I'm going to paste that here. This is my phone number, so Hermes knows how to reach out to me. And we're done. Don't forget to restart the gateway so it picks up all these changes to the gateway setup. And by the way, here you see your Hermes number. Your Hermes has a number. If you don't like this number, you can go to your Pingram dashboard, set up your own number, or even the same setup with the domains as well with your email. Hermes already sent me a text to tell me that it's active. Here's my phone. This is the text I just received. Let's try talking to Hermes. It might take a little while to go through, get Hermes to do its thing. Actually, while we wait, the second use case everybody has is, how can I use this capability, this messaging capability or calling or emailing, use it with other people? How can I tell Hermes to reach out to some people and get messages back from them and so on? If you go back to pingram.io/Hermes, we have a few different use cases set up and we go through the tutorial for each of them. Here's the answer back. Today's 18 degrees, some showers today. I don't know if you can see, it's pretty rainy out there today. So yeah, that's great. That's literally it. It's so easy to do. If you have any questions or if there's a use case that's not covered in our Hermes setup here in the different use cases that we have, there's this chat button here. You can open that and start chatting with our team. This is not AI. This is real people. That's actually me there. And we'd be happy to answer your questions or even support more use cases if we get enough requests for them. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.